Welcome to Reolink. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up and install the Reolink Duo 4G in simple and fast steps. Before the setup, make sure you have installed the latest version of the Reolink app, or you can scan the QR code to download it now. To set up the Duo 4G, you need to first insert the SIM card into the camera and power it on. When you hear the voice prompt,
"Network connection succeeded,"
you could start to set up the camera in your Reolink app. So, open the Reolink app and tap the Add Device button on the top right corner. Scan the QR code on the camera to add the camera. If your phone doesn't respond after scanning, you may also tap Enter on the page to manually type in the UID number. Then initialize the camera. You need to create a login password and name your camera. Initialization finished. Next, moving on to the installation part. You can choose to mount the Reolink Duo 4G on the wall, on the ceiling, or to a tree. Before that, please check to see if you have the following items: screws, drill, screwdriver, the camera bracket, the mounting plate, mounting hole template. To mount the camera on the wall, first screw the mount to the camera body. Next, put the mounting hole template on the wall, then screw in the mounting plate with 2 screws on the top holes. After that, hang the camera mount to the plate and install the 3rd screw into the bottom hole to secure the camera. Lastly, if you want to adjust the viewing angle, you could loosen the adjustment screw on the joint and turn the camera. The other way to mount the camera is on the ceiling, which is quite similar to the former way. Also, the first step is to install the antennas and screw the mount to the top of the camera body. And then put the mounting hole template on the ceiling and drill holes. Screw in 2 screws provided into the back 2 holes to secure the mounting plate to the ceiling. Then hang the camera mount to the plate and install the 3rd screw. Done. You can also mount the camera to a tree or post using the strap. Screw in the mounting plate. Thread the strap through the bracket slot. Then fasten the strap to the tree. The Duo 4G can work with the Reolink solar panel. Just install the solar panel in a sunny location and make sure it receives direct sunlight. Some installation tips for you. To better detect threats, please mount the camera 2 to 3 meters above the ground and in the direction crossing the direction of intruders. To ensure image quality, avoid pointing the camera to direct sunlight, mirrors, or glass windows. That's all for today's video. Any questions about the setup and installation? Don't hesitate to tell us in the comments or contact our support team.